In this video, I'm going to show you how to track travel expenses in Navan, and trust me, it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to efficiently manage your travel spending, so stick around for all the insights. Navan is an all-in-one travel and expense management software that allows you to seamlessly track your business travel expenses in real time. It's especially useful for organizations and individuals looking to streamline the process of logging and managing travel-related costs. To get started, once you're logged into your Navan account, you'll first be able to access the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your current travel status, upcoming trips, and the associated costs. You'll be able to easily input or upload receipts for any expenses made, like hotel stays, flight tickets, meals, and transportation. These receipts are automatically categorized by the software, saving you time and ensuring no expense goes unnoticed. Now let's talk about how you can track those expenses while you're on the go. Navan provides you with a mobile app that's perfect for logging travel expenses while you're out in the field. Simply open the app, take a photo of your receipt, and it's automatically uploaded into your expense report. The system uses AI to recognize the details of the receipt, like the date, the amount, and the vendor, so you don't have to manually input the data. This feature is a game changer for busy travelers looking to save time and avoid errors in their expense reports. Another useful feature of Navan is its integration with your company's accounting software. This allows for automatic syncing of your travel expenses, so there's no need for double entry. As soon as you log an expense, it's instantly recorded and categorized in your financial system, making it easier for you and your team to keep track of budgets and expenses. If you're managing multiple trips, Navan makes it easy to separate expenses by trip. You can add different categories for each trip or keep everything consolidated. This organization is particularly useful when you're working with a team or managing several projects at once, helping you stay on top of all your financials. One more feature worth mentioning is Navan's ability to set up spending limits and budgets. This ensures you're not exceeding your allocated travel budget. If you do go over, the system will alert you, keeping you in control of your finances without needing to manually track every single dollar. The best part is, you can try out Navan for completely free. We've partnered with Navan to give you an exclusive bonus that lets you start using their travel and expense software with a free trial. Check the first link in the description below to access this offer. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to track travel expenses in Navan. Whether it's logging receipts on the go, managing multiple trips, or syncing everything directly to your accounting software, Navan is built to save you time and streamline the expense tracking process. Remember, if you want to get started today, make sure to click the link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial to Navan's full suite of tools. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your travel expenses management. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.